another part of it. Like I was saying in earlier video. Those of you who watch me, who normally watch my video, will know that there was a time I used herbs. I used touch like this to perform some things in art center. We uh, we call it uluvuluvu. I always say all the herbs have their spiritual names. One, they have their scientific name. They also have their spiritual appellation. So what we normally do is that if you know the names and you call the name, whatever you want to achieve, you when you call them, they will respond. So this one is oluvuluvu, but you know oluvuluvu, but you know we use it to disappear for spiritual protection as well. If you achieve a king and they ordain you, and this one is not part of it, then left is small, or you can recook yourself with it. So those of you who know me, I normally touch it like this and pour powder on it, and then I do the incantation. Then things happen. People, one person will hold it here, another person will hold it here, and they can carry it on it. So another powerful form of it. Apart from that, it's good for men that have low libido, low sperm count, those who have problem with erectile dysfunction. The root of it is very good. If you look at it, it's like a sugar cane. So it's very good for man. You can combine it with uh, palm palm root, coconut root, uh, bamboo root, all those powerful trees. You can combine all of them with it and do it as bitters, as tincture, as tea, as the way you want it, and then it will work for you. We in Mologo Village Temple, we do it practical. We do it natural. We don't fake stuff. We do it natural. Oh, shout out to my brother Pablo. He has given me a very beautiful African way. Shout out to you. When you come to African wear stuff, watch out for look out for Pablo. It's on Instagram, Facebook, my African way. Get in touch with him. He's very good. He will sort you out with you all the African stuff that you need. Pablo, shout out to you. Thank you.